I got this huge book in the mail. Let's unbox it. You probably already know Alphonse Mucha, or at least recognize imitations of his work. He was famous for his posters, illustrations, and designs that quite literally defined the popular Art Nouveau style of the late 19th century Paris. And while he was quite successful, he also wanted to use his art to make more serious statements, and his interest culminated in a book of illustrations of the Paternoster called La Pater. You see, he was a deeply religious Catholic, but also interested in mysticism, symbolism, and spiritualism, which led him to join the Freemasons, and this book was an expression of his beliefs. When La Pater was published in 1899, only 510 copies were printed. This means the book is quite rare. That's where this book comes in. Written by Thomas Negovan, this book brings the elusive Mucha book to life. This was the oversized hardcover edition and contains Negovan's decade-long research of tracking down and exploring La Pater. You can not only read and learn more about Mucha's La Pater, it also contains translations, explanations of Symbolist and Freemasonry imagery, sketches, and the process of making La Pater. It's a really gorgeous book with full-page, high-quality printed illustrations, so if you're a fan of Mucha or you want to learn more, be sure to check it out.